Apple has long been at the forefront of technological innovation, setting benchmarks in everything from personal computing to smart devices. Whether you're an iPhone enthusiast, a MacBook lover, or just curious about cutting-edge technology, Apple consistently delivers innovations that capture the world's attention. But what exactly has Apple been working on lately? Today, we're diving deep into Apple's latest advancements to see how they're pushing the boundaries of tech. We'll cover everything from their newest hardware to the software that powers it, and even a glimpse into their ambitious future projects. If you're passionate about tech, make sure to stay tuned. First up, let's talk about Apple Silicon. When Apple announced the transition from Intel chips to their in-house M1 processors, it marked a significant turning point for the company. This shift was more than just a hardware update. It was a strategic move to gain full control over the design, performance, and integration of its devices. Since then, Apple has continued to innovate, releasing the M2, M2 Pro, and M2 Max chips. Built on a 5-nanometer process, these chips deliver higher efficiency and faster performance than their predecessors. What makes these chips so special? Well, they combine incredible power efficiency with outstanding performance, enabling users to run complex applications like video editing software, 3D rendering, and gaming, all while consuming less battery. For professionals, this means faster processing times, smoother graphics, and enhanced multitasking. Everyday users will notice longer battery life, quicker app loads, and overall snappier performance. And the integration of these chips across Apple's ecosystem ensures that devices communicate seamlessly, creating a unified and efficient user experience. It's no surprise that the new MacBooks, Mac Minis, and iPads running these chips have received rave reviews from tech experts worldwide. Moving on to the next big thing, the latest addition to Apple's iconic smartphone lineup, the iPhone 15. Each year, Apple enthusiasts eagerly await the announcement of the new iPhone, and this year was no exception. The iPhone 15 has brought a series of exciting upgrades, with a major focus on improving user experience and performance. One of the standout features of the iPhone 15 is its advanced camera system. With a larger sensor, improved AI-powered image processing, and enhanced optical zoom, users can now capture professional-quality photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who relies on their smartphone for photography. But the changes aren't just in the camera. Apple has also introduced USB-C charging for the first time, a major shift driven by European Union regulations. The switch to USB-C is a game changer, making charging faster and more universal, allowing users to charge their iPhone, iPad, and MacBook with a single cable. This change also facilitates faster data transfer, making it easier for users to move files and sync devices. Design-wise, the iPhone 15 introduces a new, sleek titanium frame, which offers durability without adding extra weight. This makes the device feel sturdier and more premium, all while maintaining the elegant aesthetic Apple is known for. Additionally, Apple has improved the display with higher brightness and better color accuracy, ensuring that everything looks sharp and vibrant, whether you're watching a video or browsing photos. Combined with the new A17 Bionic chip, the iPhone 15 offers performance that sets a new benchmark for the industry, handling everything from gaming to augmented reality with ease. Speaking of augmented reality, we have to discuss one of Apple's most ambitious projects yet, the Apple Vision Pro. Unveiled earlier this year, the Vision Pro is Apple's first step into the world of augmented reality, and it's shaping up to be a game changer. Unlike traditional VR headsets, which immerse you in a digital world, the Vision Pro is designed to blend digital content with your physical environment, offering an immersive mixed reality experience. Imagine being able to work on multiple screens without needing actual monitors, or having FaceTime calls where it feels like the person is sitting right in front of you, or even playing games that interact with your real-world surroundings. Vision Pro brings this all to life with its ultra-high-resolution displays, advanced motion sensors, and a new operating system called Vision OS. Vision OS is specifically designed to support augmented reality experiences, enabling developers to create apps that bring a new dimension to productivity, entertainment, and communication. While the Vision Pro is still in its early stages, early previews suggest that this could be the start of a new wave of AR technology with endless possibilities for how we interact with our devices in the digital world around us. But Apple isn't just focused on creating new devices, they are also leaders in sustainability. Over the years, Apple has made significant strides in its efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and become a more eco-friendly company. Recently, they pledged to make all of their products carbon neutral by 2030, an ambitious goal that involves redesigning their supply chain, materials, and manufacturing processes. Apple has started introducing recycled materials like aluminum and rare earth elements into their products. For instance, the latest MacBook Air and iPhone models now use 100% recycled aluminum for their enclosures. Additionally, Apple's supply chain is now powered by 100% renewable energy, and they continue to push their suppliers to adopt more sustainable practices. By focusing on green innovation, Apple is proving that cutting-edge technology and environmental responsibility can coexist. Their efforts set a new standard for the tech industry, encouraging other companies to follow suit. And we can't talk about Apple's innovations without mentioning the Apple Watch. Since its introduction, the Apple Watch has become a staple for fitness enthusiasts, health-conscious users, and tech fans alike. This year, Apple introduced the Apple Watch Ultra, which comes with even more advanced health features. These include a more accurate heart rate monitor, a blood oxygen sensor, an ECG app, and even crash detection, which can alert emergency services in the event of a serious accident. The new Ultra model is also more durable, with a reinforced design that can withstand extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor adventurers. Beyond the hardware, Apple has expanded its health app to integrate with third-party apps, providing users with a comprehensive view of their health data. This integration allows users to monitor everything from fitness and sleep patterns to nutrition and medication schedules, all from their wrist. It's innovations like these that have helped the Apple Watch become more than just a smartwatch. It's a personal health companion. Lastly, let's talk about how Apple is changing the way we listen to music. Apple Music, already a popular streaming service, has introduced spatial audio, which aims to provide an immersive listening experience. Spatial audio creates a 3D-like effect that surrounds the listener with sound, making it feel as if the music is coming from all around you. Whether you're using AirPods, Beats, or a HomePod, spatial audio brings a theater-like audio experience to your favorite songs, podcasts, and even movies. Apple has worked with top music producers to create special tracks that highlight this feature, giving listeners a new way to experience music. This technology isn't just about improving audio quality, it's about redefining the listening experience, making it richer, more immersive, and more engaging. As you can see, Apple's innovations go far beyond just creating products. They're redefining entire industries, from powerful new processors that drive creativity to devices that integrate seamlessly into our daily lives. Apple continues to lead the charge in tech. Their dedication to sustainability, augmented reality, and health has set new benchmarks that others are striving to match. What do you think is the most exciting Apple innovation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.